Hello everyone, Leigh Goldstein here for 10-Minute Trades. Welcome to the Weekly Market Movers video preview. This is our trade room schedule, as well as a look at all the events that we feel will move the futures markets in the upcoming week. So let's get started. All times are Eastern Time. Monday, there are no trade rooms. Tuesday at 2 a.m. is the British Jobs Report, Average Earnings Index, Claimant Count Change is the official name. It's 2 a.m., no trade room. Our first trade room on Tuesday is 3 a.m. for the French Flash Manufacturing Services and the German Flash Manufacturing Services. Both of those are family money trades. We'll be starting in the room at 3 a.m. At 4:30, there's no trade room, but we have the British version of that same report. 6 a.m. will be in the trade room for GM and GE earnings. At 9:15 a.m., Flash Manufacturing Services. 10 o'clock, we're just watching Richmond Manufacturing. It's not a very impactful event, no trade room. We'll be back in the trade room for multiple earnings reports at 3:30 p.m. on Tuesday. Google, Microsoft, and Snap will stay in the room for API crude oil report, and then back at 8:15 for the Australia quarterly CPI, a family money trade. Wednesday at 7 a.m. for Boeing's earnings. We'll be back at 9:30 for three events: the Bank of Canada rate statement, new home sales, and crude oil inventories. Meta and IBM earnings at 3:30 p.m. will finish up on Wednesday. Thursday in the morning, we'll be back for UPS at 5:45. We'll stay in the room looking at multiple company earnings reports for education, possible extra trades, lots of companies releasing earnings that Thursday morning. The ECB main refi rate, which is their bank rate statement, is at 7:45, and we'll stay in the room also for advanced GDP, durable goods, and Thursday's unemployment claims in the U.S. At 9:45, we'll be back in the room for pending homes and natural gas storage, 12:30 p.m. for the 7-year note auction, and we'll finish Thursday with Amazon and Intel earnings at 3:30 p.m. At 8:30, we'll just watch the Australia PPI. No trade room. It's just a report we're seeing if there's any movement in the Australian currency market. Friday, keep an eye on your email and on the schedule, the trade room lobby this week. We have not yet decided if Chevron and Exxon are worth getting up early to do their earnings. We're going to do a little bit more testing and make a decision in the middle of the week. So right now, they're not scheduled, but we may change that, and if we update it, you always get the most current schedule on the trade room lobby, and that's right where you go before you log in to the trade room. Friday for sure we'll be in the room at 8 a.m. for core PCE prices, the price index, and personal income and spending. That's also our YouTube free stream of the week. And we'll be back at 9:30 for revised University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment. Don't forget, you can now sign up early for our new challenge starting November 13th. It's going to be the best challenge we ever had. 5 days, fantastic education. Make sure you sign up. We'd love to see you there. And I hope you can see that this is going to be a busy, fantastic, educational, fun week as always. So make your way into the trade room and learn all about appointment-based trading. Leigh Goldstein here. I'll see you next week.